Hello, Simpson students. Welcome to week 4. We're going to wrap up the reading from Biased, part 3, A Way Out. We're looking at chapters 9 and 10, pages 227 through pages 227 through 302 in the book. As usual, you're going to have a general reflection where you look at the key ideas discussed and analyze those, as well as making any connections to your own life, offering anecdotes, personal testimony, if you have those as well for this. You will also be posting your first essay topic, which will be due next week, I do believe. So you're going to post your topic and approach. You have a choice of position, proposal, speculative, or an ethical argument. Under the Writing Resources tab, you'll be able to find more on the specific genres and how to compose those. I'll have some PDFs and tutorials and stuff there for you. So you're going to start off with, hypothetically, I will compose a speculative paper arguing the causes of prejudice. And then, you can find more again on those. The paper itself, this is your first formal paper. At the end of the course, you have a video presentation. You'll choose either your first or your second formal paper for that video, F to the Y to the I. So these are 3 to 6 pages, typed, double-spaced, MLA format, and here you have to have at least 6 critical sources. Your topic's going to be inspired from Biased, and it certainly could connect to one or maybe more than one of your weekly reflections over the book as well. So again, position, proposal, speculative, or ethical argument. And I do have some possible topics here. You certainly could go well beyond this, just looking at some of the things that we've discussed thus far in the class with redlining, implicit bias, racial profiling, police and criminal justice reform, Black Lives Matter, the rise of white nationalism, the causes of prejudice, education bias, segregation in schools and housing, etc., hiring, employment bias, scientific racism, racial profiling, race zoning, and so forth. Honestly, you could go to the table of contents or you could go to the index at the back of the book and find oodles of topic ideas, I am sure. All right. Your discussion for this week is going to look at the rise of white nationalism as it ties into the last part of our book. And as usual, 15 points for your initial, as long as it's in by the initial post deadline, up to 15 after that as well. Creative title, same as before. I do have links here for your discussion, and these links are going to be looking more at the rise of white nationalism and essentially looking even at QAnon conspiracy and how that ties into the rise of white nationalism, and some things on implicit bias as well will be covered for you to reference when you do your discussion for this week. So this week certainly is a big week because you'll be wrapping up the book Biased, and you will be thinking about what topic are you going to use for that first formal paper. I do look forward to reading through all your thoughts and ideas this week. Take care, Simpson Storm student.